Hello internet marketers, my name is Leon from How to Webmaster, and today I'd like to introduce you to the all-in-one free stock photos plugin. I've already got the plugin installed and activated, and you can access the plugin either by going to Add Media, and here you can see it has Pixabay images, Pexels, Unsplash, and all stock images. So what this plugin does is that you can search for free stock photos from these three sources, or you can search all three at once with the all stock images here. So let's get started with Pixabay images, and now let's search for basket and then click search, and in less than a second you can see that it starts populating the results with images of baskets, and these are all 100% royalty free, 100% free stock photos you can instantly insert into your WordPress post and use as your content without any attribution requirement or link backs to the author. So basically you can use these images freely, and this plugin makes it super easy to search free stock photos. So here let's decide on this one, and you can also click on the link here if you want to view the original or preview the original image. And here it is. Without the plugin you would search at Pixabay, and then you would have to download it, and then you would need to go back to your post and then upload it manually. With this, you just click here, this download icon, and it's downloading to your server directly. And now you can set the title, the description. These are optional, you don't have to do any of these. You can also have a file link, and again it's optional, you don't need to. You can set the alignment, set the size, and use as featured image. So let's click on this to see how that looks, and there it is, it's done. Now you click on insert into the post, and there it is, and it's also set as an image if you want to. And that's how easy it is to use the plugin. So let's do another example. You can also, besides clicking on the add media, you can also click on the stock button here to directly go to the plugin search, and here again you can choose which source you like the best, or search all the stock image sources at once. So let's search for something else. Okay, let's search for island and click, and again you instantly see results fast, and then you can scroll and pick the one you like. Super easy. And then if you scroll past, it'll automatically load up new images as you scroll to the bottom. There it is, hundreds and thousands of images, all free. So let's decide on this one. Again, just click on it, and within seconds the image is downloaded automatically to your server. And let's go with a larger size this time, and you can also do full size if you like. And let's insert. There it is, quick and easy, a very useful plugin for all you bloggers out there. Again, this is called the all-in-one free stock photos plugin, and you can grab this through my website. I'm actually the one selling this plugin, so I hope you like it. I hope you find it useful. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, happy marketing.